my people, welcome back to Godsfavour Talks. I know I've been away for a while. My people, we had to plan Chivido 24. We had to plan that wedding because how can we, the certified online people, not be there to plan that wedding? We have to do wedding planning and beg. And you know, our planning thunders very fine. I'm very sure you enjoyed every content that we put out there. Okay, so back to the reason why I came. She has seen the topic. You are seeing this topic. You are seeing the tomato is expensive in the market. And I am seeing Ogechi and Paul in Insta blogs comment section doing here for cucumber and watermelon stew. Come, let me tell you something. Just come closer. Do you know that cucumber helps you to relieve pain in your body? God's pain. Secondly, they help you to reduce cholesterol in your body. For my pretty ladies that love long hair, cucumber contains what is called silica content, and this helps with silky and long hair too. And for you people that any small thing your mind has gone to Nasarawa, your mind be flying everywhere. It helps to reduce high blood pressure. So tell me why you didn't in Insta blogs comment section when you saw that cucumber stew. And now even saw watermelon stew. Oh my goodness, everywhere scatter. You are abusing her. For what now? Don't you know the benefits of watermelon? Don't you know that watermelon helps your digestive system? Don't you know that it gives your body a lot of vitamins and nutrients? My people, I beg. Let us start trying out these things that are giving us, good health benefits. Haba, when people are flourishing, let our skin too be popping. I say, let me bring updates for you people. Oh yeah, now, shalom. Till we see next time.